Good morning, children. How are you all? I am your math teacher. My name is Sujata. Today I am going to take second part of chapter 3. What is our chapter 3? Multiplication of large numbers. Yes, children, tell me what you have learned from the previous class. Yes, from part 1 of this chapter 3. Yes, we discussed about multiplication of a number, means multiplication of large number by 3 digit, 2 digit, right? Yes. Today I am going to take an important concept from this chapter 3, that is multiplication techniques. Okay? Before going to start my concept, I want to take one example, children. Look at the board, everyone. 28,136 into 12. I am going to take one multiplication here. This is a 5-digit number. So this should be multiplied by a 2-digit number. So it is nothing but our standard multiplication. Using our normal standard method, I am going to do now multiplication. So is a 5-digit number. What are the places? Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So first what we have to do? This whole number should be multiplied by ones place digit first. So what is ones place digit here? 2. So this whole number should be multiplied by 2 first. After that, the whole number should be multiplied by 1. Okay? So first what we have to do? This number should be multiplied by ones place digit. So it is. So first start with ones place digit 2. 2 into 6. 2 6 are. 2 6 are. How much? 12. 2 6 are 12. So 2 again 2-digit number. 2 write at ones place and 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the tens place. Okay. Next 2 3s are how much? 2 3s are 6. But what is the carry over here? 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. You have to write 7 here. Next. 2 1s are 2. 2 into 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 2 into 8. 2 8s are 16. So 6 right here. And 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the next place, that is here I don't write it, 10,000s place we have to write. Next 2 2s are 4. What is the carry over? 2 2s are 4. And what is the carry over? 1. So add 1 to this 4. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So write here 5. Shall we check again? 2 6 are 12. 2 right here, 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the tens place. 2 3s are 6. But what is the carry over? 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So write 7 at tens place. 2 1s are 2. Next 2 8s are 16. So 6 write at the thousands place. And 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the 10,000s place. 2 2s are 4. But carry over is how much? 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the whole number is multiplied by ones place digit. Now what we have to do? It should be multiplied by tens place digit now. So for ones place we have to put 0. For ones place we have to put 0 because we are going to start with the tens place digit. So start with the tens place. So 1 6 are 6. 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. 1 into 1. 1. 1 1s are 1. 1 into 8. 1 8s are 8. 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. So what is the answer? What we have to do? We have to take addition. We have to add. So here 2 plus 0, how much? 2. 7 plus 6, 13. So 13 means 3 right at tens place and 1 is the carry over right at hundreds place, means below this line you have to write. So 7 plus 6 is 13, 3 right here and 1 is the carry over right here. 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 3 plus 3 6. Next 1 plus 6, sorry 6 plus 1 how? 6 plus 1 how much? 7. Next 5 plus 8 how much? Is again 13. So 3 right here and 1 is the carry over, we have to write. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, this is the answer. Now put commas. So in Indian place value system, after each period we have to put the comma. So here ones place, tens place, hundreds place after 1 comma. After that thousands and 10,000s place after 1 comma. This is lakhs place. So what is this number? 3,37,632. Have you understood, children? So this is our standard multiplication. What is this is known? This is a standard multiplication. This is a standard multiplication. Using standard multiplication, I solved this problem. Now today I am going to take multiplication techniques. This is our normal multiplication, but using techniques we are going to solve multiplication problems, children. So multiplication techniques means we have these we have techniques for number 11, 15, 99 and 999. Only for these numbers we have techniques in 5th class. In 5th class we are going to learn about the techniques by number 11, 15, 99, 999. Okay, so what is our next concept? Multiplication techniques. So this is our standard multiplication. Note it down, children, please. You can pause the video and you can note it down. Yeah, next concept. Multiplication techniques. Multiplication technique by 11. First, multiplication technique by 11. So first we are taking technique by 11. For example, take a 2-digit number 59 into 11. What is the answer? So using techniques we are going to solve this problem now. Okay. So here first step we have to write the first ones place digit as same digit. Same ones place digit you have to write first. Next, second step, what you have to do? You have to add these two digits. So 9 plus 5, how much? 14. 9 plus 5, 14. 4 right here. And 1 is the carry over, right above 5. Now third step, what you have to do? 5 plus carry over 1, 6. So 649. What is the answer? 59 into 11 is 649. Very simple, very easy. Yes? If you have any doubt, you can check with standard multiplication also. Shall we check? Yes. 59 into 11. Using standard multiplication, I am going to solve this problem now. So first, what we have to do? We have to this number, this whole number, 59 should be multiplied by 1's place digit. Then 59 should be multiplied by 10's place digit. So start with 1's place digit. 1 into 9, 1 9s are 9. 1 into 5, 1 5s are 5. So for 1's place we have to put the 0 because we are starting with the 10's place digit. 1 into 9, 1 9s are 9. 1 into 5, 1 5s are 5. Now add. So here also put 0. 9 plus 0, 9. 5 plus 9, how much? 14. So 4 right here, 1 is the carry over. 1 plus 5 is 6. 649. So you got the same answer. So this is using technique. This is standard multiplication. Okay. So what is the difference between technique and standard multiplication? Here it reduces time. Using technique, if you solve a problem, it reduces our calculating time. But here standard multiplication means it is taking more time, much more time to solve. So whenever you write some competitive examinations, there these are very useful to you. These techniques are very useful to you. In short period only, short time, you can solve the problems. But standard multiplication, using standard multiplication, it is a time-taking process. So in competitive examinations, we can use these techniques. Okay. Have you understood, children? Shall we take one more example? Very good. Note it down. Next, second example. Into 11. 328 into 11. So first what we have to do? Yeah, using techniques, what we have to do first? First step, write down the ones place digit as same. Okay, same. Next, what we have to do? We have to add these two digits. Second step. So what is that? 8 plus 2 is equal to how much? 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 right here, and 1 is the carry over. We have to write above 1. Okay. Next, third step. What we have to do? So we have to add these two. 1 plus 2 how much? 3. 3 and add these two. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 3 how much? 3 plus 3 is 6. Already we wrote 0 here and 1 we wrote above 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now add 3 to this 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So write here 6. Now fourth step, write down the remaining number. So what is the answer? 3608. 3608. If you have any doubt, you can check with normal multiplication also. Shall we check? Yes, 328 into 11. Yeah. First, this number should be multiplied by 1's place digit. 1 8s are 8. 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. 1 into 3, 1 3s are 3. Okay. For 1's place we have to put the 0 now, because we are starting with 10's place digit. So start with the 10's place digit. So 1 into 8, 1 8s are 8. 1 into 2, 1 2s are 2. 1 into 3, 1 3s are 3. Now here also put 0. We have to add 8 plus 0. 8 only, the same number. If 0 is added to any number, the answer is the same number. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 right here and 1 is the carry over. Below this line you have to write the carry over. 2 plus 8 is 10. 0 right at 10's place. 1 is the carry over, is forwarded to the 100's place. Now 1 plus 3 how much? 4. 4 plus 2 how much? 6. Next 0 plus 3 is 3. Yes, you got the same answer. So this is solved by using technique, but it is standard multiplication. Standard multiplication means it is a time taking process. Using technique you can reduce the time. So have you understood, children? This is the multiplication technique by 11. So first what we have to write? We have to write the 1's place digit as same. Second step, add these two. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 0 right here, 1 is the carry over. Above 2 we have to write. Now add these two numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Finally write down the last number. Have you understood, children? Let's note it down. Next is multiplication technique by 15. number 15. For example, take 50 into 15. What is the answer? Using standard multiplication also you can do, that is different. But today in this class we are learning about techniques. So 15 into 15. So first 15, how do you write 15? What is the expanded form of 15? Very good. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is the expanded form of 15. So first what I am doing, see 50 into, in the 15 place I am writing 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. Okay? In the 15 place I wrote 10 plus 5. So I take the expanded form of 15. So here bracket means into. Now 50 should be multiplied by 10 and again the 50 should be multiplied by 5 also. So first 50 into 10. 50 into 10 plus, here what is the symbol? Plus. 50 into 10 plus again 50 into 5. 50 into 5 is equal to how much? 50 into 10, how much children? 500. 50 into 10 is 500. Here we know that 5 is a half of 10. So obviously this answer is half of this answer. Okay? 5 is half of 10. So what is here answer? 500. So half of 500. Half of 500 means 500 by 2. How much? 250. Its value is 250. Now add these two, it is 750. What is the answer? 750. So this is the multiplication technique by 50. Okay? We have to take the expanded form and 50 should be multiplied by 10 plus 50 should be multiplied by 5. 5 is a half of 10. So what is the answer here? 500. Half of 500 is 250. So 750 is the answer. Have you understood, children? Please note it down. Shall we take one more example? Very good. Children, you have so many examples in your textbook. Please take them and practice in your book. Okay, using techniques. So the next one more example I want to take. (156 into 15). 156 into 15. So first what we have to write? 156 into, bracket means into. In the 15, take expanded form of 15. What is expanded form? 10 plus 5. So 10 plus 5. In the place of 15, I wrote 10 plus 5. Now first what we have to do? So this number should be multiplied by 10. Again this number should be multiplied by 5. So first 156 into 10 plus 156 into 5. 156 into 5. So here what is the answer? It is, write down the same number and put 10. It is 1560. 156 into 10 means multiplication with zeros means write down the same number first and 10 is there, put 10. 1560 plus, we know that 5 is half of 10. So this number should be half of this number. 1560 by 2. What is the answer? Half of this number, how much? By 2 means divided by 2. 2 7s are 14. 5 minus 4 is 1, bring down 6. 2 8s are 16, 0. 2 zeros are 0. So 780. Half of this number is 780. Okay? Now add these two numbers. What are those? 1560, 780. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 8, how much? 6 2s are 40. 14. 6 plus 8, how much? 14. So 4 right here, 1 is the carry over. 1 plus 5, how much? 6. 6 plus 7 how much? 13. So 3 right here, 1 is the carry over. 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is that answer? 2340. Okay, have you understood, children? So in the place of 15 I wrote 10 plus 5. So the number should be multiplied by 10 plus, and again the number should be multiplied by 5. So 156 into 10 how much? 1560 plus. So half of 1560 is 780. Add these two numbers. It is 2340. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 8 is 14. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2340. What is the answer? 2340. If you have any doubt, you can check with the standard multiplication also. Have you understood, children? Please note it down. Please practice, children. These kind of problems very important. Please practice in your book. More and more you have to practice. Okay? Yeah. Next is a multiplication technique by 99. Multiplication technique by 99. So for example, take 36 into 99. What is the answer? Very easy, children, using technique. This multiplication is very easy. So especially this is applicable only for a 2-digit number. 99. By 99 means it is applicable for only a 2-digit number. So in first step, what we have to do? What is the second number here? 36. So first subtract 1 from 36. 36 minus 1, how much? 35. Second step, this number should be subtracted from 99. 99 minus 35. How much? 99 minus 35. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 64. So from up to down we have to write. So first write down the first number, that is 35. What is second number? 64. So this is the answer. 3564. Very simple, very easy. But using standard multiplication, it is a time-taking process. Using technique, very easy. So first what we have to do? Subtract 1 from the second number. So 36 minus 1 is 35. Right? 35. Next, this answer should be subtracted from the 99. 99 minus 35 is 64. So write down the two numbers. It is 3564. Have you understood, children? Note it down. Yeah, second example. (65) into 99. What is the answer? So first step, what we have to do? 65 minus 1. Yes. What is the answer? 64. Second, this answer should be subtracted from 99. So 99 minus 64. How much? 99 minus 64. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. So 35. So first write down the 64. Next write down the 35. It is 6435. Very simple. 65 into 99. First what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the second number. 65 minus 1 is 64, right? 64 first. So this answer should be subtracted from 99. 99 minus 64, how much? 35. So 64, after write down 35. That is 6435. Have you understood, children? Very easy. Yeah. We have so many problems. Please solve them, children. Please, from your textbook. Yeah, next is multiplication technique by 999. The next last technique is multiplication technique by 999. Multiplication technique by 999. Yeah, here one condition is there. It is applicable only for 3-digit number. 682 into 999. What is the answer? It is a 3-digit number, so it is applicable for 3-digit only. 3-digit number only. So first step, what we have to do? Subtract 1 from this 3-digit number. 682 minus 1. What is the answer, children? Very good. 681. Okay. Next, what we have to do? What is the second step? This answer should be subtracted from 999. 999 minus 681. What is the answer? Shall we do here? Yes. 999 minus 681. 9 minus 1, how much? Very good, 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 6 is how much, children? Very good, 3. So it is 318. So first what we have to write? We have to write this number first, 681. Second number, write next, 318. Now put the commas. After each period, we have to put the comma. So first 3 places after, next 2 places after. So it is 6,81,318. Very easy. Yes, have you understood, children? You have any doubt, you can check with the normal multiplication also. You will get the same answer. Note it down, children. Shall we take one more example for this technique? Very good. Easy or difficult? Very easy. Next, 706 into 999. What is the answer? First step, what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the second number. What is second number here? Very good, 701. 706 minus 1. 706 minus 1, how much, children? Very good, 705. So what is the second step, tell me? Yes, this answer should be subtracted from 999. So 999 minus 705. What is the answer? Yes, 999 minus 705. 9 minus 5, how much, children? 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. So what is the answer? 294. So first write down this number. What is the first number here? 705. What is the second number? 294. Done. So now put the commas. It is 7,05,294. Have you understood, children? First what we have to do? Subtract 1 from the second number. So 706 minus 1 is 705. So this answer should be subtracted from 999. 999 minus 705. How much? 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. When 0 is subtracted from any number, the answer is the same number. Yes? 9 minus 7 is 2. So what is the answer? 294. Understood, children? Shall we take last example? Yes. 239 into 999. Come on, start everyone. Do in your books along with me. So first step, what we have to do? 239 minus 1. How much? 238. What is the second step? This answer should be subtracted from 999. So 999 minus 238. What is the answer? 999 minus 238. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. So 761. So write down the first number 238. Next write down the second number 761. So put the commas. Very easy. It is 2,38,761. Okay, children, have you understood? Note down, children, please. So practice more, children. Definitely you will get an idea about these techniques. Okay. we will stop here and we will meet in the next class. In next class, we are going to take word problems on multiplication. Bye children.